Welcome to the Americana Bistro Grill. I'm your host, Dr. Rob. We're going to do a tutorial on Bearsville Soap made in America in New York. This is the only shampoo and body soap that is used to do two things at the same time. And I'm going to prove it to you. Feel the soap. Feel the soap. Feel the soap going around you. Oh yes, feel it. Feel it. And feel it all around. All around. You'll use it to wash your hair and your body. And then you finish. This is a long time and then that's it. This was the Americana Bistro Grill with Dr. Rob, promoting Bearsville Soap made in America. Peace in, peace out, and peace everywhere. And in the words of Laura Marie, be love.